So today we're going to show you the HB1 Honeybee Hotmelt Unit. It is a tabletop 120 volt unit that holds 7 pounds of bulk adhesive with Teflon coated tanks, so you lessen the char. And it has a very simple temperature controller. It's one knob, and basically you turn this and do your set temperature, and then it'll go to the actual temperature. It controls the tank, the hose, and the head all in one controller. If you would like it to step up where the hose is 5 degrees hotter than the tank and the head is 5 degrees hotter than the hose, it has that ability. All right, the pump is a gear pump, and we'll show you how it works right here. And you have the ability to change, you can see the throw on it right there. And if you're doing small cartons and that's just too much glue, if you'll come around here, you see the plus or minus. You can turn it down or up to whatever you need, and it's infinite control, just like an air regulator. And now you're going to have a smaller bead. And it doesn't throw quite as far that way either. You can take that clear down to nothing if you like. Well, it'll be very small bead. So there you have the 120 volt tabletop Honeybee Hotmelt Unit. We keep these in stock